Khabor Kapatisi TV. Ka undi basnyam bat penjasliang. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
UMLA UDP na West Geelong constituency wa polling do ula kentai mardor yaki khubor hamsaya ki bami hakilat pthai khubor bo ula banmi no na ka United Democratic Party bat berlai penyeso Second National People's Party. Hagajinya keram hakilat pthai khubor wa polling do ulong bakini ki khubor di Tang ki Jingmutdur bat angru bo empat juper khat satya menuru banmi no na ka UDP bat pentip ru bo wat la kadon ke Jingmamhun. Hakabiade bat ke Jingbu Juli Syuki hakakin hon menteri Dangshan hendaya kan ikam on hak penyekeran Hapoh ke parti om syabar jang ke parti.
These are all conjectures and theories. It has not crossed my mind to leave the UDP because if there is any issue, I believe that such issues should be discussed internally within the party. Of course, there are various sections within the party which are not happy with the way that the reshuffle was handled by the party leadership. But these are matters which we will discuss internally. I insist on one point, which is that throughout my career in the political sphere, I've always been a fighter and never a quitter. I will not quit that easily.